Welcome to Chapter 1. In this chapter, we're going to start with one of the most important basics of building a website, understanding what a domain actually is. It's a simple concept, but it's the foundation of everything you'll create online. So let's break it down in a very easy and practical way. Now, think of the internet like a giant map, a big city with millions of buildings, shops, offices, and locations. Just like every place in a city needs an address so people can find it, websites also need an address. And that address is what we call a domain. For example, if you type Amazon.com, you instantly land on Amazon's website. If you type Walmart.com, you'll go to Walmart's online store. These are all domain names. They act like the addresses of these websites. So whenever someone wants to visit your website, they will also use your domain name. It's that simple and that powerful. Now, we actually have different types of domains, and let me break them down in a very simple way. 1. Top-level domains, TLDs. These are the most common ones like .com, .net, .org. They're global, universal, and easily recognized. 2. Country-specific domains. These are for specific countries, for example, .us, United States, .company, UK, United Kingdom, .ca, Canada. These are ideal if your business is only serving one country. 3. Generic top-level domains, GTLDs. These are more modern extensions like .store, .shop, .online, .digital, tech. They are niche-based and used by many new brands. Now, here's my recommendation. If .com is available, always prefer a .com domain. Why? Because .com is universal, professional, easy to trust, and it works worldwide. But if your business is strictly limited to one country, then choosing your country-specific domain is completely fine. For example, if you only target the US, .us can also be a good option. Now let me share some very important points before you purchase your domain name. Keep it simple. Your domain should be easy to type and easy to remember. If you tell someone your domain name, they should be able to type it without confusion. Avoid numbers and unnecessary symbols. It makes the domain look unprofessional and hard to remember. And most importantly, your domain should be unique. Now, you may be thinking, why unique? Well, this is very important for SEO, search engine optimization. Imagine you search on Google or Bing for the keyword Amazon. What happens? You get millions of results, hundreds of pages, because thousands of websites are using similar words. But now imagine you search for a very unique name like Arden Velen. You will hardly find any results, right? This means that if you buy a unique, brandable domain name, and then do even basic SEO using simple plugins, your website can appear on top of search results very quickly because you have almost zero competition for your brand name. So yes, a unique domain name helps your brand ranking fast and easily. Now, if you already have a business, then please always buy the domain name with your business name. It keeps your brand identity consistent and helps customers find you faster. If you don't have a business name yet, then choose a unique, simple, clean, brandable domain name. Something that stands out and is easy to promote. And yeah, that's what a domain is and why it's so important for your website. In the next video, we'll talk about hosting, what it is, why you need it, and how it works. So let's continue.